Federal judge finds probable cause to hold Trump administration in criminal contempt over deportation orders. In a significant legal development, U.S. District Judge James Boasberg has determined there is probable cause to hold the Trump administration in criminal contempt for violating a court order that temporarily halted deportations under the Alien Enemies Act. Despite Boasberg's directive to return planes carrying deportees, the administration proceeded with the deportations, sending over 260 individuals to El Salvador. Boasberg criticized the administration's willful disobedience and warned that such actions could undermine the Constitution. He set a deadline of April 23rd for the administration to either take custody of the deportees or identify the officials responsible for the violations. The administration contended that the order to return the planes was not part of a written directive and indicated plans to appeal. Boasberg emphasized that constitutional responsibilities apply to all branches, including the executive. He stated that if officials needed to be prosecuted for contempt and the DOJ was unwilling to do so, he would appoint a lawyer to do this. This case is part of a broader legal conflict between the judiciary and the Trump administration over the use of the Alien Enemies Act to expedite deportations. In another instance, Judge Paula Shinas has demanded explanations from the administration regarding its non-compliance with a Supreme Court directive to facilitate the release of Kilmar Abrego Garcia, who was mistakenly deported. The administration's actions have raised significant questions about the judiciary's authority to enforce its decisions on the executive branch, potentially redefining checks on presidential power if the courts prove unable to compel compliance. Legal experts note that criminal contempt is rare, but carries significant symbolic weight. The administration maintains its position, citing public safety concerns, while critics argue that due process has been blatantly ignored. Continued disregard of court orders could escalate into a constitutional crisis, marking a critical legal standoff between the judiciary and the executive branch.